Hey YouTube, what's up? My name's Connor and welcome to my new channel, Never Satisfied 24 Valve. I'm really excited because this channel is going to be strictly dedicated to the build of my 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins. I'm going to be doing very detail-oriented install videos on the truck, do's and don't buys, giving honest opinions whether it's good or bad about products that go into the truck. I'll make videos for you guys doing burnouts, rolling coal, whatever creative ideas you guys come up with. Making videos about things that you guys like to see done to the truck. So if you got anything you like to see done to the truck, go ahead and drop a comment down below. You guys can also follow me on Instagram at neversatisfied24valve, where you guys can get a hold of me faster, or if you have any questions or comments. I'll also be making videos to answer any of your questions or comments. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a walk outside and do a little walk around.
I'll start off right away with the headlights. Just put these new one pieces in, so those old crappy two-piece ones. This one's a lot cleaner look. I'm having a guy build me a custom set right now. He's gonna put the switchbacks in them and some halos and a bunch of other stuff, and the color match them and everything. On to the next thing. Grill. Right now it's this old crappy regular grill. I'm gonna get a sports one in there and cut it out, do the mesh thing and all that. Hopefully maybe put a light bar in it, I don't know yet. 4th gen bumper with, ordered the 4th gen bumper conversion brackets, 30-inch curved LED light bar. Thing works great, especially at night. 35-inch tires on 20-inch rims, 20x10s right now. Running a 5-inch suspension lift with, I believe, either 1.5 or 2-inch spacers. Definitely needs more tint, very lightly tinted. Got the 52-inch light bar curved up top. Of course, I got the tow mirrors. Gotta have the tow mirrors, you know, the extra 25 horsepower really helps out. And then I got the other thing I got just ordered not too long ago was the bed cover, which I absolutely love because I am a contractor, so I keep all my tools in the back there and everything's safe and locked up. I don't have to worry about it getting stolen. Of course, I got the reverse lights and the bumper. Right now, she sits a little one level. She's about 1.5 inches shorter in the back because I got to order longer U-bolts than what the lift came with, so I can put the other 1.5 inches in the back, so that way it sits more level. So today I'm going to do an installation video on the Dodge, putting in a long arm kit that I got sent from Tuff country. It's going to add a smoother ride to the truck as well as a better look, and it's going to beef up the front end a lot. So let's take a look at it. Alright, here's the long arm kit I got sent from Tuff country. Let's get right into the hinge joints. These ones are pretty good size, pretty big. And then there's these guys. Look how massive these guys are. These hinge joints are huge. Look at that. Damn. Alright, then you got your long arms over here. These things as well are also massive, look very durable, probably about 20 pounds a piece. Well, yep, there it is. Let's pull the truck into the shop and let's get started on this baby. Alrighty, so as you can see right here, I took the sway bar linkage off, and that's all free. You're going to want to lift up the front axle so you can undo all these bolts, or at least all the tension off these bolts so you can pop those out and get your new brackets in up here and get everything drilled out. I totally forgot about how hard the bottom control arm bolt is. I don't want to cut it out, so tomorrow morning or later tonight I'm going to go pick up some liquor wrench or whatever I need, probably liquor wrench to get that bolt out, because I heard that was the best thing, and do some hammering on the side, which I'll go over tomorrow to get that bolt out. Right now I'm going to take the bolts holding the transfer case of the OEM frame.
bracket with a 1/2-inch drill bit. Trying to keep the drill bit as straight as possible all the way through the Turbo, what are you doing? Say hi to all the YouTubers out there. Everyone watching the video, say hi. You guys can follow him on Instagram at Turbo the Pitbull. He's got like 11.3 thousand followers. What are you doing? Say hi to all the YouTubers out there. Everyone watching the video, say hi. You guys can follow him on Instagram at Turbo the Pitbull. He's got like 11.3 thousand followers. I don't know, something stupid. Come on, get your ball, get your ball. Get the ball, Turbo, get the ball, get the ball. You guys got a pit bull at home. This is the best toy right here. It is a, I believe, oh, it's a Jolly ball. Got it like offline. I think it was like $12.99. It's a plastic ball, like just like they use at the zoo. This thing's amazing because every other ball I've gotten him for, he likes basketballs. As you can see, he pushes around with his face. I taught him how to do that. But he likes to push the balls around, and every time I get him one of those balls or basketball, he'd pop it. So this $12.99 shipping included was the best $13 I've ever spent on it. All right, guys, so got this left side out, driver's side. As you can see right here, it's gone. Let me show you what I had to do because the camera died on me. All right, so first off, I cut the control arm out completely. It wasn't coming out on its own, so I decided to cut it. And then around underneath the control arm was this metal bracket. Cut that off. Took off this rubber garment. And then after that, there was this coupler, which this is the part it was seized to. This one, the cam bolt went through here, and essentially just like this, as you can see on the other side, it was seized. So now I'm just working on getting this other side out. I'm probably gonna do the same thing because that works best. I mean, I heated it up and sprayed PB blaster on it, liquid wrench, everything, nothing came out. It didn't come out with that, so now I'm just gonna do the same way on this side. Already got this bracket on this side. All right, guys, luckily for me, passenger side lower control arm came out very easily. I undid the bolt, sprayed some PB blaster on it, and smacked it out, and it just came out within 30 seconds of me recording the last video. So, hop on the other side, take out the upper control arms, put the lower control arms on, tighten everything down, and go from there. So next, we're going to take the bracket, upper control arm bracket, and cut it straight with the frame. And all right, guys. So we got the control arms in, the lowers and the uppers. Last night the camera died, so I wasn't able to record it. But the brackets, you're going to put 75 foot-pounds of torque. Lower control arms will be 85. The uppers will be 65. We're going to tighten down the hem joint bolts here with a handy-dandy crescent wrench. And then we're going to throw the wheels on. And once the wheels are on, we're going to drop it down, take off the jack, drop it down the ground, put the sway bar back on. That's 25 foot-pounds of torque. And then after that, we'll take it for a test drive and I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, she's all done. We're going to pull it out of the garage and turn it around, make sure everything's good, and then take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so we got the truck all working, everything's good. I went to start it and it didn't start. Tried to jump start it with my girlfriend's car, didn't work, so I went to AutoZone, got 2 new batteries, as you can see right here. Duramax Gold, joy of having a diesel. So one of the nuts and bolts for the battery, as you can see, it's all corroded, broke off, so I just went and got that at AutoZone. Gonna put that in now and then head to work. All right, so we're gonna head out to one of my favorite spots to wrap this video up. On the way out, I'm gonna stop and get some gas. Here's what she looks like from further back. Here's the long arm kit. The old long arms came to right about here. The new kit goes all the way back to here, so that's about 1.5 feet, about 18 inches or so. The kit looks great. The hardest part about this whole kit, I would say, was definitely taking out those lower cam bolts. They were a pain, but once you get past that, everything's pretty easy. Looks great. Cannot wait to get this kit power coated. It's going to look phenomenal. Just got to choose a color. I think the front sits forward about 2 inches more than it did before. Next thing on the list, new exhaust. Definitely get new exhaust. I think I'm going to go with a 5-inch kit, diamond eye, possibly an axle dump. Let you guys know what you guys want. What do you guys think I should do? Drop a comment down below if you guys think I should do an axle dump. If you guys have any recommendations or what you guys like to see in the truck. Same with the wheel setup. If you guys want to see 37s or 40s, I'm thinking about doing that. Let me know. Drop the comment. Alright guys, so we're going to wrap this video up in the truck because it is very windy and cold outside right now. First on the list, driving the truck with the kit in it. I would say huge improvement, going over bumps, potholes, driveways, everything. The truck has been noticeably smoother. Kit looks great. Once it gets powder coated, it'll look a whole lot better. Affordable. Install time, I'd say, depending on your cam bolts, I'd say 6 to 8 hours. If you have a buddy with you, probably 4 to 5 hours. But not too bad. I would say if you're looking to improve the quality on your truck, drive quality, and also looks, and maybe lift the front end up a little, I definitely recommend getting a long arm kit. With that being said, in closing, stay tuned for what's in store for the truck because I think you guys will be just excited as I am. If you guys could give this video a like, aka a thumbs up, I would appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.